Hi, this is Sheila Scarborough with Tourism Currents. I'm in a ballroom at Main Street Now. As you can see, as a speaker, one of those tough rooms, long, no windows, lots of seats, and tomorrow morning I'm going to be giving a presentation. So one of the important things you want from a speaker is that their slides can be seen from the back of the room. So I'm in here now, I've queued up a slide, and I'm going to make sure that it can be seen from the back of the room. So I back all the way up. This particular slide is about LinkedIn content ideas, different things you can do with your LinkedIn page as a Main Street or economic development organization, but could also be for a CVB or DMO. But this is one of the things I do, is go all the way to the back here and make sure that people can still read it. And even though the light's blowing it out a little bit in the video, I can still read it. And I'm still going back here. And this is kind of where I'm going to end up here in the back. But I can still read it. So that's good. And then the other thing I'm going to do is make sure I can advance the slides. So if I walk back and forth in the room, right, I'm not just standing up on the podium, but I'm circulating in the room, because these long, narrow rooms are really boring for the people in the back. So if I'm walking up the central aisle, I'm walking up the sides, although there's really not room on the sides, have to be the center, then I'm going to make sure that my clicker is going to work from this distance. And so I have my clicker out here, and I just advance a couple of slides and make sure, yep, that looks good, that's going to work. And that's part of what you got to do. If you're going to be a speaker with a whole lot of people in a long, narrow room, you need to scope this stuff out in advance, make sure you're all set to go. I'm Sheila Scarborough with Tourism Currents. And that's a speaker and training tip for today from the Main Street Now conference in, gosh, it's been a long, sweaty day. Where am I? Oh, I'm in Richmond, Virginia. Thanks. And give yourself grace, too, while you're at it. Always a good idea as a speaker.